Imagine strapping a piece of hardware to your wrist that costs more than a decent smartphone, promises to save your life in the middle of nowhere, but ultimately spends most of its time tracking your steps from the couch to the refrigerator. That is the bizarre, high-stakes paradox of the Apple Watch Ultra 4. It is marketed as an extreme tool for elite athletes, deep-sea divers, and rugged adventurers exploring the harshest environments on Earth. But let's be entirely honest. The vast majority of people buying this watch aren't climbing Mount Everest. They are wearing it to corporate boardrooms, suburban gyms, and local coffee shops. So why is America so utterly obsessed with this massive, expensive brick of titanium? Is the Ultra 4 a genuine triumph of wearable engineering, or is it the ultimate piece of tech consumerism, designed to sell us a lifestyle we don't actually live? To truly understand the grip this watch has on the market, we have to look at what Apple is actually selling. They aren't just selling a device that tells time or counts calories. They are selling an identity. The Ultra 4 is wrapped in an aerospace-grade titanium chassis that screams durability. It features a flat, massive display protected by sapphire crystal that can take a literal beating against solid rock. It has a customized action button that glows in the dark, a dual-frequency GPS system capable of tracking you through dense jungle canopies, and a siren loud enough to alert search and rescue teams from a quarter-mile away. When you put it on, you feel like a survivor. You feel like someone who could handle a sudden wilderness crisis at any moment. And that feeling is incredibly addictive. But behind the rugged marketing and the breathtaking promotional videos of athletes running through deserts, a deeper question emerges. What does the Ultra 4 actually bring to the table for the average consumer that justifies its premium price tag? If you strip away the extreme survival features, you are left with the core experience. And that core experience is where things get interesting. For years, the single biggest complaint about the standard Apple Watch was the battery life. Having to charge a watch every single night feels like a chore, especially if you want to track your sleep. The Ultra series completely shattered that limitation. With the Ultra 4, Apple has pushed battery efficiency to a level where you can easily go days without ever looking for a charger. For the everyday user, this is the real killer feature. It transforms the smartwatch from a high-maintenance gadget into a reliable companion that is always on, always ready, and completely effortless. Then there is the sheer presence of the device. It is unashamedly large, unapologetically thick, and it dominates any wrist it sits on. In a world where tech is constantly trying to become thinner, lighter, and practically invisible, the Ultra 4 goes in the exact opposite direction. It wants to be seen. It is a status symbol that immediately signals to the world that you have the latest, greatest, and most capable piece of wearable technology available. The display is blindingly bright, engineered to be perfectly legible under the harsh, direct sunlight of a desert afternoon, which also means it is incredibly easy to read while you are driving down a highway or sitting in a dimly lit office. The text is crisp, the complications are dense with information, and the user interface feels faster and more responsive than anything that came before it. Yet, this massive design